It's the school's cinema day. You're seated with your favorite popcorn and you're ready to enjoy the movie. But there's one thing you're wondering. How is everyone supposed to watch from just one small television in the school's viewing center? The first thing you notice as you enter the room is a beam of light coming from a box hanging near the ceiling. It's bright, focused, and pointing straight at the wall. Then suddenly, the movie begins right there, big and clear on the wall in front of everyone. That box is called a projector, and today on Appsolute Kids, we're going to explore what a projector is and how it works. A projector is a device that takes an image or video from a small screen like your school's laptop or a phone and makes it big enough for a whole room to see. It's kind of like a flashlight, but instead of shining only light, it shines full pictures onto a wall or a special screen. That's why projectors are used for movies, presentations, class lessons, and more. So, how does a projector actually do that? Inside a projector are three main parts: a light source, a lens, and a display system like a mirror or chip. When a video is played on the connected device, the light inside the projector shines through the video signal. The lens focuses the image, and the mirror or chip helps send that image forward and out of the lens right onto the wall. The darker the room, the clearer the image appears. There are different types of projectors, too. Some use old school bulbs, while others use newer LED lights or lasers. But the goal is always the same: take something small on your screen and make it big enough for a crowd to enjoy. And why do we use projectors at all when we have TVs, phones, and tablets? A projector makes it easy for everyone to see at the same time. Now here's your Appsolute Kids challenge. Since you just learned that a projector uses light to make small pictures appear big, let's try something fun at home. All you need is a flashlight and a piece of paper. Cut out a small shape in the paper. It could be a star, a heart, or even your initials. Then, turn off the lights in your room, shine the flashlight through the paper, and point it at the wall. You should see your shape appear on the wall, just like how a projector shows pictures. It's a simple way to see how light and images work together. Try it out, and tell us what shape you made in the comments. We can't wait to hear how it turned out. Thanks for watching Appsolute Kids. See you next time.